Introduction to Ginseng. Disclaimer: the content in this video is intended for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered as medical advice or a substitute for professional medical expertise. If you have any specific health-related questions or concerns, please consult with your healthcare provider. In the realm of natural remedies, few herbs have garnered as much attention and reverence as ginseng. This remarkable root has been cherished for centuries, woven into the tapestry of traditional medicine systems across Asia. As we delve into the world of ginseng, we uncover a treasure trove of potential health benefits that have captivated researchers and wellness enthusiasts alike. Ginseng is a perennial plant belonging to the Panax genus, with its name derived from the Greek word panacea, meaning all healing. This moniker alone speaks volumes about the high regard in which this herb has been held throughout history. From boosting energy levels to enhancing cognitive function, ginseng's purported benefits are as diverse as they are intriguing. In this comprehensive guide, we will embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries surrounding this ancient herbal remedy. We will explore its rich history, the various types of ginseng, and the scientific evidence supporting its potential therapeutic applications. Prepare to be enlightened as we unlock the power of ginseng and discover how it can potentially enhance your overall well-being. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. History and origins of ginseng. The origins of ginseng can be traced back thousands of years to ancient China and Korea, where it was revered as a panacea for a myriad of ailments. In traditional Chinese medicine, ginseng was considered a tonic herb, believed to promote longevity, vitality, and overall well-being. The earliest written records of ginseng date back to the 3rd century BCE, when it was mentioned in the famous Chinese pharmacopoeia Shen Nong Ben Cao Jing, the divine farmer's classic of materia medica. Throughout the centuries, ginseng's reputation spread far and wide, with its use becoming deeply ingrained in the cultural fabric of many Asian societies. As trade routes expanded, ginseng found its way to other parts of the world, where it was embraced by various traditional medicine systems. In North America, the indigenous peoples recognized the value of American ginseng, which grew wild in the eastern woodlands. Today, ginseng cultivation and consumption have become global phenomena, with the herb being widely studied and utilized for its potential health benefits. Different types of ginseng: Panax ginseng, American ginseng, and wild ginseng. While the term ginseng is often used broadly, it is essential to understand the different varieties of this herb, each with its unique characteristics and properties. The three primary types of ginseng are: 1. Panax ginseng, Asian or Korean ginseng. This variety is native to Korea and parts of China and is considered the most potent form of ginseng. It is known for its reddish-brown color and is often referred to as red ginseng due to the steaming and drying process it undergoes. 2. American ginseng, Panax quinquefolius. As the name suggests, this variety is indigenous to North America, primarily found in the eastern United States and Canada. It has a slightly different chemical composition compared to its Asian counterpart and is often considered more cooling and calming in nature. Wild ginseng. This term refers to ginseng that grows naturally in the wild, without any human intervention or cultivation. Both Panax ginseng and American ginseng can be found in their wild forms, and these are highly prized for their rarity and potency. While all three types share some common properties, they can vary in their specific therapeutic effects and potencies. It is essential to understand these distinctions when choosing a ginseng product to ensure you are obtaining the desired benefits. The health benefits of ginseng. Ginseng has been the subject of extensive scientific research, with numerous studies exploring its potential health benefits. Here are some of the most notable areas where ginseng may offer significant advantages. 1. Boosting energy and reducing fatigue. One of the most well-known benefits of ginseng is its ability to combat fatigue and enhance energy levels. Several studies have shown that ginseng can improve physical and mental performance, making it a valuable ally for athletes, students, and individuals leading busy lifestyles. 2. Enhancing cognitive function and memory. Ginseng has been traditionally used to support brain health and cognitive abilities. Research suggests that ginseng may improve attention, memory, and concentration, potentially benefiting individuals with age-related cognitive decline or neurodegenerative disorders. 3. Supporting immune system function. Ginseng is believed to possess immunomodulatory properties, meaning it can help regulate and optimize the immune system's response. Studies have indicated that ginseng may enhance the activity of immune cells, potentially reducing the risk of infections and supporting overall immune health. 4. Regulating blood sugar levels. Preliminary research has shown that ginseng may have a beneficial effect on blood sugar regulation, making it a potential ally for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 5. Promoting cardiovascular health. Some studies have suggested that ginseng may have a positive impact on cardiovascular health by improving blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and overall heart function. 6. Alleviating menopausal symptoms. For women experiencing menopausal symptoms, such as hot flashes and mood changes, ginseng has been studied as a potential natural remedy. Some research indicates that ginseng may help alleviate these symptoms and improve overall quality of life during this transitional phase. It is important to note that while the potential benefits of ginseng are promising, more research is still needed to fully understand its mechanisms of action and establish definitive therapeutic applications. Ginseng as an adaptogen. One of the key reasons why ginseng has gained such widespread recognition is its classification as an adaptogen. Adaptogens are a unique class of herbs that are believed to help the body adapt to various forms of stress, whether physical, mental, or environmental. The adaptogenic properties of ginseng are thought to be due to its ability to modulate the body's response to stress by regulating the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal (HPA) axis, which is responsible for managing the stress response. By supporting this crucial system, ginseng may help the body maintain homeostasis and better cope with the demands of daily life. Furthermore, ginseng is believed to possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can contribute to its overall adaptogenic effects. By neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation, ginseng may help protect the body from the damaging effects of stress and promote overall well-being. While the concept of adaptogens is still being explored and researched, the potential benefits of ginseng as an adaptogenic herb are compelling and may offer a natural approach to managing stress and supporting overall resilience. The role of ginseng in traditional medicine. Ginseng has played a prominent role in various traditional medicine systems, particularly in Asia, where it has been revered for its therapeutic properties for centuries. Here's a glimpse into the importance of ginseng in some of these ancient healing traditions. 1. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. In TCM, ginseng is considered a superior tonic herb and is classified as a yang, warm herb. It is believed to replenish and nourish the body's vital energy, known as qi, and is often used to treat conditions related to fatigue, weakness, and overall vitality. 2. Traditional Korean medicine, TKM. In Korea, ginseng has been a staple in traditional medicine for over 2,000 years. Korean red ginseng, which undergoes a specific steaming and drying process, is highly prized and is believed to have a wide range of therapeutic applications from boosting immunity to promoting longevity. 3. Traditional Japanese medicine, Kampo. In Japan, ginseng is known as ninjin and is incorporated into various Kampo formulations. It is believed to have invigorating and revitalizing properties, as well as the ability to promote overall health and well-being. 4. Traditional Native American medicine. Indigenous communities in North America have long recognized the medicinal properties of American ginseng, using it for a variety of purposes, including treating respiratory ailments, boosting energy, and promoting overall vitality. While the scientific understanding of ginseng's mechanisms of action continues to evolve, its long-standing role in traditional medicine systems highlights the deep-rooted respect and value that cultures around the world have placed on this remarkable herb. How to consume ginseng. Ginseng tea, supplements, and other forms. Ginseng can be consumed in various forms, each offering its own unique benefits and considerations. Here are some of the most common ways to incorporate ginseng into your daily routine. 1. Ginseng tea. One of the most popular and traditional methods of consuming ginseng is through tea. Ginseng root can be sliced or grated and steeped in hot water to create a flavorful and invigorating beverage. This method allows for the extraction of the herb's active compounds and can be enjoyed on a regular basis. 2. Ginseng supplements. For those seeking a more concentrated form of ginseng, supplements are widely available. These can come in the form of capsules, tablets, or extracts, offering a convenient way to incorporate ginseng into your daily routine. When choosing ginseng supplements, it is essential to select high-quality products from reputable sources. 3. Ginseng powder. Ginseng root can also be dried and ground into a fine powder, which can be added to smoothies, juices, or other beverages. This method allows for easy incorporation into various recipes and provides a versatile way to enjoy the benefits of ginseng. 4. Ginseng candies and foods. In some cultures, ginseng is incorporated into various food products, such as candies, energy bars, and even beverages like ginseng coffee or ginseng beer. These options can provide a delightful and unique way to experience the flavor and potential benefits of ginseng. 5. Fresh ginseng root. For those with access to fresh ginseng root, it can be consumed raw or cooked in various dishes. Fresh ginseng is believed to offer the most potent and concentrated form of the herb's active compounds. Regardless of the method you choose, it is essential to follow recommended dosages and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. Additionally, it is crucial to source ginseng from reputable suppliers to ensure quality and potency. Discover the power of ginseng and unlock a world of potential health benefits. Visit our online store today and explore our premium selection of ginseng products, carefully sourced from trusted suppliers. Elevate your well-being with the ancient wisdom of this remarkable herb. Potential side effects and precautions of ginseng. While ginseng is generally considered safe when consumed in recommended amounts, it is essential to be aware of potential side effects and precautions. Like any supplement or herbal remedy, ginseng can interact with certain medications and may not be suitable for everyone. Here are some potential side effects and precautions to consider. 1. Insomnia and restlessness. Some individuals may experience difficulty sleeping or feelings of restlessness when consuming ginseng, particularly in higher doses or if taken close to bedtime. 2. Digestive issues. Ginseng may cause digestive discomfort such as nausea, diarrhea, or stomach upset in some people, especially when first starting to use it. 3. Bleeding disorders. Ginseng may have anticoagulant properties which could increase the risk of bleeding or interact with blood-thinning medications. Individuals with bleeding disorders or those taking anticoagulant drugs should exercise caution. Or hormone-sensitive conditions. Ginseng may have estrogenic properties which could potentially affect hormone-sensitive conditions like breast cancer or endometriosis. Consultation with a healthcare professional is recommended for those with such conditions. 5. Interactions with medications. Ginseng can interact with certain medications, such as those for diabetes, high blood pressure, or immunosuppressants. It is crucial to inform your healthcare provider about any ginseng supplements you are taking to avoid potential interactions. 6. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. The safety of ginseng during pregnancy and breastfeeding has not been fully established, and it is generally recommended to avoid its use during these periods or consult with a healthcare professional. It is important to note that these potential side effects and precautions may vary depending on the individual, the type of ginseng used, and the dosage. As with any supplement or herbal remedy, it is advisable to start with lower doses and gradually increase as tolerated while closely monitoring for any adverse reactions. Tips for incorporating ginseng into your daily routine. Incorporating ginseng into your daily routine can be a simple and enjoyable way to potentially enhance your overall well-being. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Start with small doses. When introducing ginseng into your routine, it is recommended to start with small doses and gradually increase as tolerated. This approach allows your body to adjust and minimizes the risk of potential side effects. 2. Choose the right form. Determine the form of ginseng that best suits your preferences and lifestyle. Whether it's ginseng tea, supplements, or incorporating ginseng powder into smoothies or recipes, find a method that you can consistently incorporate into your daily routine. 3. Consider the timing. Ginseng is often recommended to be taken in the morning or early afternoon, as it may have a stimulating effect and potentially interfere with sleep if taken too close to bedtime. 4. Combine with other herbs. Ginseng can be combined with other complementary herbs or adaptogens to potentially enhance its effects or address specific concerns. For example, ginseng can be combined with ashwagandha for stress management or rhodiola for energy and focus. 5. Monitor your response. pay attention to how your body responds to ginseng supplementation. If you experience any adverse effects or discomfort, adjust the dosage or consult with a healthcare professional. 6. Cycle your use. Some experts recommend cycling ginseng use, taking breaks periodically to prevent potential desensitization or diminished effects. A common approach is to use ginseng for 4 to 6 weeks, followed by a 2-4-week break. 7. Consider quality and sourcing. When purchasing ginseng products, prioritize quality and source from reputable suppliers. Look for standardized extracts or products that clearly indicate the type of ginseng used and its concentration. Remember, ginseng is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and individual responses may vary. It is always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. Conclusion: harnessing the power of ginseng for better health. As we conclude our journey through the world of ginseng, it becomes evident that this ancient herbal remedy holds immense potential for enhancing overall well-being. From its rich historical roots to its modern-day applications, ginseng has captivated the attention of traditional medicine practitioners, researchers, and wellness enthusiasts alike. The unique adaptogenic properties of ginseng make it a valuable ally in navigating the demands of daily life, helping the body adapt to various forms of stress and maintain a state of balance. Whether you seek to boost energy levels, enhance cognitive function, support immune health, or alleviate menopausal symptoms, ginseng offers a natural and time-honored approach to addressing these concerns. While more research is still needed to fully unravel the intricacies of ginseng's mechanisms of action, the existing scientific evidence and traditional wisdom provide a compelling case for incorporating this remarkable herb into our lives. By carefully selecting high-quality ginseng products and following recommended dosages and precautions, we can potentially unlock the power of this ancient remedy and embark on a path towards improved well-being. Remember, ginseng is not a panacea, but rather a valuable addition to a holistic approach to health and wellness. Combining its use with a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management techniques, and a healthy lifestyle can amplify its potential benefits and contribute to a more vibrant and fulfilling life. So embrace the wisdom of the ages and harness the power of ginseng. Unlock its potential to support your journey towards optimal health, vitality, and longevity. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.